2008 Kawasaki Vulcan. No, wait. 2000 Classic LT. That is right, 2000 cc's. This is a 2.0 liter bike. It just blows my mind. I wish I was there in the meeting when they were like, yeah, we're doing this. Are you serious? Yeah, 2 liter, 2000 cc's. It just, I feel like it was like a joke, and then it just kind of passed, and the engineers were like, are they serious? And then it just did it. Really anxious to see what this 2 liter. I've had many cars with smaller engines than this. It actually feels really nimble. I mean, look how fast I'm able just to... That's real fast. That might not mean anything to anybody else, but I can... From doing that a lot myself, that feels pretty quick. This bike just wants to go. Man, I love the way it feels. Here you go, guys. It's just a good, big, bad cruiser bike. Man, this thing's big and bad.